does this unmanly, un-Arjun-like, heaven-barring, and shameful despair come over you at this perilous spot? Madhusudan Krishna uses the term Visham for the place where Arjun and he are at that time. Besides meaning difficult or dangerous, the word also means unique or unequaled. So Krishna really wishes to know that which has caused spiritual ignorance, Agyan, in Arjun in this unusual, unparalleled setting. The setting is one the like of which can be found nowhere else in the entire world, because it is the sphere of spiritual striving towards an unworldly, celestial goal. In such a universal and undisputed setting, how has spiritual ignorance come over Arjuna? Why does Krishna call Arjuna's views spiritual ignorance? Has Arjuna not said categorically that it is his heartfelt wish to defend Sanatana Dharma? Is it spiritual ignorance to be resolved, body and soul, to protect what Arjuna believes to be the immutable, eternal Dharma? According to Krishna, it is so, for it has not been the practice of those who truly deserve to be called men. Neither does it provide access to heaven. It is also not conducive to glory. The one who keeps firmly to the path of righteousness is an Arya. In Hindu scriptures, instead of referring to any race or stock, Arya denotes an exceptionally cultivated man who adheres scrupulously to Dharma. If dying for one's family were not an instance of ignorance, Krishna adds, sages would have practiced it. Had family traditions been the ultimate reality, they would have been used as a ladder for climbing up to heaven and salvation. When Mira sang her songs of divine adoration, people declared her insane, and her mother-in-law condemned her as a destroyer of the family. But no one today remembers the mother-in-law for shedding copious tears of concern about the well-being of her family and safety of its honor, while the whole world cherishes the